guys, I broke my weekend off because I had a realization. Okay, so I was just watching Floor Burns' live stream. Let me go to the light. There we go. So I was watching Floor Burns' live stream. She was saying a lot of different things, and one thing about me, I try not to watch too many people right now because if I'm on the receiving end, I want to make sure that what I receive is genuine and authentic and not what someone else said because I saw the video. But I was watching her video and then I went down a rabbit hole. So basically, this is just a theory or an assumption or an observation. Vaccine, vaccinate. It relates to the word evacuate. Kind of, sort of. I put it in the eight. Vaccinate, vaccinate, vaccinate. Vaccinate means to it's a sort of form of wiping something out or removing, or even like this TV show that I'm watching. It's called Mr. Robot. When there's too much data, you have to wipe out the system, the encryptic. So if we were to say the encryptic, oh, there goes the gold bull, everybody. Exodus all over again. No, don't do it to the bull. Anyways, so this has a coordination with it, which is pretty cool because I just hit record because I had a thought process. I'll get to the bulls in a second, but melanin. Melanin are people of a particular skin color and above. So if you're brown, tan, olive, you fall into the category of being melanated. It means that your body can regenerate itself because the pineal gland is active. The pituitary gland is active as well. And the pituitary gland and the crown chakra are connected. You can see my third eye. And then, so she was talking about the genetics of the mother of the melanated background, and I guess if you're injured, recovering, or the DNA codes or whatever light codes come in, whatever crystalline DNA codes that are coming in. What do I mean by that? You guys should probably start seeing rainbows with the light reflection. I'll get to that in a second too. So in my thought process, I was like, vaccination, vaccination, vaccination. Many vaccinations carry MRC-5. I hate to do this to you guys, but if you didn't know what is MRC-5, it's the remaining lung tissue from an aborted white Caucasian child. It has to be 14 weeks after termination. And yet people are still pro-choice. So with your amendment rights and your right of choice of body, whatnot, you can consult your healthcare physician and say, I decline accepting anything that has, you have rights to declining vaccinations. Look that up. But I was like, if the vaccines carry MRC-5, they're only trying to replace the melanin with unmelanated DNA, unmelanated stem cells. White Caucasian, and I was thinking, why white Caucasian males? Why the male? Oh, hello. The things that hang, like what you saw getting chopped off the bull there. What else do I want to tell you guys? Let me pause this TV show. They did that with the C-word virus. Everything has been an attack on the pineal gland. I think we were trying to figure this out with the Anunnaki with the pine cone brain head. That has a lot to do with the pineal gland. Was it much larger then? We don't know. You see some extra extended cranials of the Egyptians, which are the offseed of the Anunnaki. They were assumed to have pine cone shaped pineal glands too, much larger. I'm navigating because I'm on a thought process. So don't get vaccinated, especially if you're melanated. It will probably have some reversal effects on your body regenerating, or it'll slow you down from ascending. It'll slow you down from regenerating your body. I think this is why I was able to endure so many health situations, circumstances, and yet still be here to talk to you guys. The bull, or the cow, because it is in the sun for well, pretty much all day, right? uh, Livestock animals like rams, bulls, sheep, cows, horses, they're highly melanated because they can tolerate the light of the sun. So evolutionarily speaking, those are the animals that I hate to say this, you either consume when you're low in melanin, when you're sick. This is why some people have medium rare in their meats, because of the stem cell, the melanin, and the blood, the plasma that comes from the animals. So a lot of times when I think they're trying to tell you to go vegan, go keto, go vegetarian, I was thinking, wow, plants can regenerate itself, but I don't know, there's just something about being a meat body and consuming meat will only stimulate more yearning for plasma. So you can go either way. There's no, I know some people believe, no harming animals, et cetera, et cetera. I respect that, but sometimes when you go vegetarian and you don't do too well, your melanin will basically start to deneutralize your body. So it'll hit the amino acids, the creatine, the creatine, that which will come out through your liver, is depleted from the body, which then the body will lose protein. Anyway, wrapping this up. The cow has the key to everything, which is why they worshipped everything in Babylon. And during the time of Exodus, you remember the movie Moses, where they had the gold bull, and they were so. The stronger the male of the cow, the stronger the melanin, the stronger the blood plasma, and then there's the research does say that there are cures to people when they consume blood plasma or have the stem cells of this animal. So, in conclusion, you can marinate yourself honey, milk, lavender, or you could do a blend. You could do like essential oils. You could do frankincense, myrrh, turmeric, lemongrass, tea tree oil, peppermint, oregano, and parsley. You can also take as vitamin, which I do. So those are all they're helpful, but they're not longevity. They're just temporary. Longevity would be within the cow. So anyways, I hope you guys had your head pop off. Anyways, I'm going back to my TV show. This is my day off. Yes, you guys see my PJs. Yep. All right. I will officially see you guys maybe later on today, because there have been a lot of different things coming in. And I'm like, I just want a day off. All right. Take care.